Uma biologically.
Indima ayidlalayo yena i-financial.
Okay.
Ugogo izimiso nje zokungishape zokungakha zenza ugogo. So kusho ukuthi into engiyiyona ngiyithathe ngiyifundisa ugogo more than uma wami. Manje ke into engiyishoyo ukuthi lento engiyiyona kwi-family isuke ekutheni mina ugogo lwami angizange ngikhule kahle. Mangithi angikhulanga kahle ngisho ukuthi lo muntu kwakufanele adlale enye indima azange ayidlale ubaba.
Ukuzwa ubaba wakhe ekhuluma ngomkhulu kuyangijabulisa lokho ngoba
Sanini Bonani Ninjani, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we speak and discuss anything and everything under the sun. There's no topic that is off limits here, everything goes. Alright, so today we're speaking about Uthando Nesthembu episode edlalizolo ebusuku where they all went to a retreat. So I did make some notes here so that I make sure that everything that I'm discussing is something that I remember, it's something that I'm aware of, and ningazanitshela ukuthi ngibias. Okay, let's start from the beginning now. The show starts. Uthando Nesthembu yadlala. We see the wives going down to the lounge preparing for the retreat. Remember namhlanje the wives or the Mselegu, they are being visited by a therapist and a relationship expert and the social therapist. Sharp. So we see uMakhumalo a lounge, and then we see Mayeni joins them. Mayeni greets them. And then they're waiting for Mthombeni. Mthombeni takes some time to come in, and they start complaining to say because if they are all together Mthombeni comes in, uyangena no nkosikazi wakhe uMacele. So Mayeni opens up. She says on the diary session, because even if she speaks, kodwa futhi ekugcineni kuzobe engazothi i-attack umseleko and bazokhuluma namhlanje la open up kodwa bese kufikiwa endlini sebebodwa bazoxabana. So I understand she doesn't see a need of being here because Mthombeni doesn't listen, and at the end of the day bazokwenza njani, bazoxabana. Umseleko did a painting and then uMacele is opening up, says Macele is upset the fact ukuthi Mthombeni when he was painting, he painted the whole wives, but the therapist said it's about uMacele and Mthombeni. Now Mthombeni says there is no me without all of you guys. Mthombeni angengikwazi ukuthi ngi-address wena wedwa as my wife because you are not the only wife that I have. With the four of you guys and Umasaule who's no longer here and the other one uSemge. uMacele feels ukuthi every time Mthombeni wants to discuss something or bekhuluma naye or anything, the other wives have to be part of it. So uMacele ngifuna ukukhala ngoba ngazi mina angi-exist at my own or by myself without me existing with the other wives. I think Mthombeni uchaze kahle make sure ukuthi yebo Macele ukhona kodwa awuwedwa. That's the problem. You are here, but then I am umseleko because of you guys. 4 or 5 of you. Anyway, bathi-ke bafike-ke bahlale phansi. Isiyaqala ke i-retreat. Ubaba uNdabeyo uyaqala abuza ama-question. Makhumalo says ngifuna uchillis. Macele get upset ukuthi sizele lana sizele into eziserious wena in the middle of questions wena uzofuna uchillis. Athi meqoda lapho asukume kumseleko ayofuna ijacket afonele bani uMacele. Aqaleke abuzeke uLentuzane uNdabeyo ukuthi what is important of the family. Abuza uMayeni. hayi athi umayini yena akazi ukuthi listen, without just going through, we're just going through step by step of every episode. Let me just say this, let me just round off this thing. Let me tell you something. Umseleko is trying, but the wives are not willing to work with Umseleko. That retreat was a failure. It's not done. It's going to continue next week, but it began as a failure. And I'm happy that social media saw this. Twitter was speaking. Makhumalo had an attitude of saying, I don't want to be there. Mabebuza umangwabe uyaphendula kahle ukuthi what's the important of the family, it's unit, it's this and this and that, yabo. I'm going to keep on saying this, even though umangwabe engazi usubuya hlange, but umangwabe respects umseleko, umangwabe respects umshado wakhe, umangwabe respects the sene mashadele kuyona. It does not matter ukuthi ufila kanjani ukwenzakalane, but I don't remember umangwabe disrespecting umseleko at all. Now, etafuleni lonke abantu abaphendulile bawu2 Mangwabe noMayini. Mangwabe and Macele. On the other side, uMayini uzibhekisela le, uMakhumalo uthi I don't think anything is important. Kusabathe kubuza umbuzo uMakhumalo ubhekisele, kusabathe kubuza umbuzo uMakhumalo ubhekisele, and then the camera zooms to her uhlalele efonini. She came with an attitude. Social media were saying that she came with an attitude. She came already saying I don't want to solve anything. Izinto zi-right zinjengoba zinjalo. So now kuzosebenza kanjani uma ngabe you are not willing to actually speak, and kulama strangers la. Undabe uyazama ke yambuza ukuthi what is your contribution in this family? Athi no, I don't have any contribution because ngatshela mina emehlweni ukuthi into engayizela le ekhaya ngayenzi. She's speaking about having kids. Now, we're not going to keep on talking about this, Tobile. What's his name? Seleu said it. Waxolisa. Can we not move on from that? Is it possible to move on? Is it possible for you not to be angry? It's been over 5 years now. Is it possible for you to move on? You don't have kids, yes, I understand. Unaye njompilo uthe happy about that. Umseleu said what she said and then he apologized. Can we move? Msobila kafuna ukukhuluma kwe retreat uthi yena akanazi ingane. That's what we was told, so ufile ukuthi akacontribute ngakule family kaMseleko. Why are you making Umseleko feel some type of a way now? We are just trying to do things here, to mend things if it's the right time to use. And then, but I can tell you one thing, the questions that were asked by Ubabundabe, they were from production. They were from Umusa. The questions, they were discussed, obviously, to drive the storyline, and to make the wife to speak and to open up. And trust me, didn't help. Obviously, uyabuza ukuthi what do you love about what's his name? Umseleko says my earthly king. Girl is in love. Girl is in love. So and then they laugh about that. Umayeni on the other side says akekho sho ukuthi usamthanda yena Umseleko. Now the producer asks if the divorce is the answer. Umseleko says no, damn it. It was kind of cringe what Umseleko was saying. Then they were laughing, but Umseleko uthwele kanzima. Ngicabanga mina ukuthi stroke esamseleko esamshaya, truly speaking, besiphuma from ingcindezi yabafazi akathakathanga Umseleko, akazange athakathwe umuntu. Umseleko azange athakathwe umuntu. The stroke came from the ingcindezi of what he's getting at home. Ayikho happy landlord at all. That man is not happy. That man is going through a lot. But uhlela ngimazi uhlaleleni, angimazi usabani. Now the retreat continues and it gets emotional. Umseleko speaks about his family. Umseleko is a broken man. Understand why ethanda uFlow kangaka. Umseleko ukhuliswe ugogo wakhe uFlow. uFlow again uma wakhe, it's grandmother wakhe, uzalo ma wakhe. Now the question, where was your mother? Umseleko says my mother was around, but my mother she only played a role which was financial. Umama bekasho ukuthi uma wakhe bekulo mama ongahlali emakhaya wazi ukuthi uzothumela imali ingane ezokhulisa ugogo. He then speaks about his father. He says there were no relationship at all, nothing at all, like not 09. Now Mseleku says one of the things that makes him want to grow up, to grow his family and to fight for his family is the fact that he wanted to be there for his kids and he's there for his kids. Mangwabe says, then Mayeni says, I'm glad you're talking about you want to be there for your kids, not us. Then Mseleku start being emotional. He start crying when he speaks about ubabwake, when he speaks about umawak. Now, and then shows also Mseleku comes from a broken home. He never had a structure at all. Akalazi uthando lika mama, akalazi uthando lika baba. The only thing he knows uthando lika Flo. And that's where then he grew up, Flo emkhulisa, and then he then told Flo, even if you're Shona, this family is gonna be big because now also again Mseleku comes from a very small family. It's just him and Dudadwabo Pale, and then he's the only uyendod. So kusho ukuthi if Mseleku azange azale wabe nengane, then bezoba last generation guy benogogo Flo, there won't be any Mseleku who's left. You know, so that's when Mseleku started saying he's gonna build, he's gonna do this, and he's gonna have his team, so that he's gonna have a lot of wives, so that Mseleku so cool, and then the clan, and then the family grows and grows and grows, etc., etc. That's how Gege's team came about. Mseleku started crying. Then Umacele uthi, how sorry. And then Umangwabeke we are cheaper in says. We understand also Mseleku grew up with traumas. Angazi ukuthi this thing of growing up not having parents affects umuntu until or how badly it becomes or how kuba kanjani. Angazi. Now let's talk. Okay, before we discuss that, so in all of this, Thobile is just not in. She's not even willing to participate. Hlalele phone yakhe uthake kwazo. Uma yena vocal belt uthi nje akusekho uthando. Umangwabe is seated. Mangwabe is a lady. I can tell you that thing. I think I'm falling in love with Umangwabe. I don't know why I didn't like her at the beginning. She is a lady. She's so classy. She's seated. Uhleli. Akahleli fonini. Ulalele. Uthulile. Obviously, Umacele is the wife. Laphayana, you know. So I'm saying maybe on the comments, and then the show ends. Maybe on the comments, let's discuss the traumas of not growing up with your mother, West Nobabwako food. What happens? Do you carry that trauma until the end, or when you grow up as an adult, you become an adult yourself? And I don't know. I wanna know. Yeah, affectana into kulunge nayo baba or hlugabantu. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you again on the next episode. This was a review of Uthando Nothembu of the full episode. So that's exactly in a nutshell happened. They all went down to the retreat. Mayeni was contributing but not emotionally. Uma Khumalo was just not part of it. Mangwabe was classy, was very classy, was a classy lady, was seated and listening, and Umacele obviously she'll always be present. And Mtombeni did open up about this family, and Oma Khumalo didn't want to speak. So that's where we at. So it means we're gonna see you again next week for the Uthando Nothembu. We're gonna see you for other stories, so we see how the retreat ends.